Hey everyone, it's AJ from Matt Blatt Mitsubishi. Where you're sitting right now was our service department 17 years ago. As we grew, we needed to expand. So we purchased some land and built a 20-bay repair facility just 1 mile north of our sales department on Delsea Drive. When you're ready to visit, just pull up to the big bay door and hit your horn. The doors will open and someone will greet you. Be sure to stay in your car because we need your help to check the mileage and the lights. Then we will ask you to step out of your car and watch us as we check your batteries, your tires, your alignment, and we top off your washer fluid. Then we will direct you to the service advisor desk. A little about our service department is we have 10 technicians, 3 detailers, and many other support staff. Our technicians are factory trained and ASE certified. We work on all makes and models from minor repairs to major repairs. We also have a Goodyear tire store, a AAA repair center, and we're certified for AAA towing. We perform undercoating, tinning, auto starts, wheels, lift kits, heated seats, and many more. We take great pride in our service and how we treat our customers. We believe the customer should receive quality workmanship and told the honest truth. That's why we explain to a customer by showing them at their car or through a text message video of our findings so they could see for themselves what is needed. So thank you for your time and we hope to see you soon.